Hi.
Say hi. Good.
Hello.
She don't like the camera too much, huh? Hey, what's up guys? This is my second day here in Bicol. How these people live here, they just pretty much live off the land. They get their water from this spring, like right behind me. They have all these fruit trees. And then if you go up the road, there's just like a little mountain that you go up, and then you can just pull these roots and they're just like peanuts. So we make peanut butter out of that. This place is just like what the Philippines is all about. Yeah, what is that called?
Balisoso. Rice yan, putting banana leaf. Coconut, yung smooth coconut, and then sugar. Di magdaray ka pamawan mo ng oatmeal.
She's pregnant, right? With our little Pipa, and then she goes all the way up there and she picks the peanuts. This is like the real Philippines. The air is so clean here. Fresh air. Coconuts are right. Is this your favorite place in the Philippines? Teach me something to say in Tagalog today.
Balik na tayo doon.
Okay, so see guys, I know what that means, I just can't say it. She basically just said, let's go back. So we're going to check up. This is maybe our second to the last checkup. Pipa's gonna be delivered at an OB, right? But just in case, we want to make sure that if we decide to go with the other option of using the midwife, that we have that option too, because the midwife is actually closer to where we're at here. We're gonna take you guys with us.
Only this na lang.
Do they have almonds?
Wala.
Okay, it's okay. We're trying to look for a place called Coffee Talk. These little boys told us at Jollibee that there's Wi-Fi at this place called Coffee Talk, so that's what we're doing right now before we go to the OB. Okay. This is the only coffee shop in Iriga. They're supposed to have internet sometime this week. We're still not sure yet if we're going to be using the OB or the midwife yet, but we want to get your opinion. Who have used midwives before? Let me know what your experience was and if you recommend OBs or midwives. How did the OB go? It was good? So the baby's healthy and you're healthy. When is the next appointment? We're eating at Big's Diner. Did you know that this is the biggest food chain in Bicol? Now you know. She's already posting her dinner. My parents are gonna really love this place, right? When they come here. Why are you so pretty, baby? Look, you see our little baby right there? That is little Pipa right there.